Khavanau Pingli Ngak Mikhavai Farmer Safety Zone Hai Kami should at site order Mikhavai Kokomina Pohair. 11th International Day of Yoga Kamiyonli Indian Okatui Hakmai Twikachi Yoga Kazip Kwikahir. Ringyaophy Tangkhul Express Pvt about Ringyaophy Ningshen in a bamidale. Bauping may sign a nangrumsa. Popala bumli Louis Kvanalis. Sakaz shock a highway ninga correctly. Ngasunda Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Kokomina Farmer Safety Zone declare Sakami demand siren. Lubam vulnerable Kasabamni Farmer Safety Zone High Committee should at site order Mikhavai Kokomina borderly. Direct rather Chukotang Ningtocham Pirentsing Koho local farmer Akali no makeup Zawa or Chotpam G SSP security post Ngalemli Nagaji Hangda attack Saji PSF JKLI Gala SSP personnel khalei security layer Nathum Makanda Rakasana the Hangsangam. Ot Sakchi Lui Kavanau Bingli Ngajing Sakwai Liwot Kasali Shekut Kavai Gala Tambak Bamli Jingri Kahai destabilize Sakavai Kasana the Kokomin Hangan. Direct Magud Chikotang, Kokomi convener Kuirai jumped Atauba Nathanda or Chotpam Jili in Vayangan. Situations take by Apam Jui Mipingli Vasampangachi. Jitangazin Kokomi Miping senior police officials ADGP L Kailund IGP K Kabib Kala Bishnupur in Imphal West District with Superintendent of Police Li Sampangam. Lui Kavanau wuivang Kataga security arrangement Kala Kaponga protections Mikhavai Maram Sanachi. Kokomina Shokala demand Kasa foothill cultivation area chi farmer safety zone sada high kami Kala authorized Makasa Kutlayam Nathanda Vazang Papa Gajili should at site order Mikhavai Boya. Kala security likashoy Lega high Maram third Pashokami la concerned security officers being the responsibility quick hangasak Bohira. High Canal area Pam Chile permanent security post High Kami Mayday Lui Kavanau being the traditional farmland boundaries, full access, Lake Hangasak, additional security companies, Sang Mida mobile patrols Maling May Hangasakala, Sag Zigahai farmers in our Shimkole complete medical care gala, financial compensations Mikhavai Kokomina Shogali Bohira. Prime Minister Narendra Modi Nathanda India na Okatui Hakmai Twikachi Yoga Kazip Kwikaira. Aya Vikash Patnam Li 11th International Day of Yoga Kamiyonli Rujum now Lakatum Gadana Shirukuyagachi PTI Pauli Sampangam. Layret background Kala Kashap Makashapli Makanda Yogana Okatui hi Koka Sakanga Saga Kachi PM Modi Hangam. Yoga hi Kak Sui Kavai Balance Sakavai Kala Kaponga Ngasalu shit Kavai Mikumona Dakar Kasa Boss Badan Nida PM Nahang. Aja digital thought hili yoga hi Pangshap Lilak High Wellness Tool Nada Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister and Chandrababu Naidu Nahangam. Ajugum International Day of Yoga Kamayon hi Andhra Pradesh na Guinness Book of World Record Kani Sampanghaira the Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu Nahangam. Naidu Nagahang Yoga Kazip Chili Mi 3.03 lakhs na Shirukuida Apama Khali Mi Jumai Twida Yoga Kasa record Sampangam. Ka Horza Kahai Machine Guinness World Record Authorities na Pongmi Kahai Tili Tenaura. Ka tribal Katamnau Tingmagada Kanina Rip Sada Minute Shaka Abachishat Welungli Shurya Namaskar Shaka Abachishat Sada Chui Recordla Semagajis Yem Nahanga. BJP Ukrul District, the International Yoga Mayonda Tungre, Durf Ground, Vashim Tang, Humpungli Angranange Kwikairam. Yoga Kasa Jili Manipur University Eina, Master in Yoga Science, Damkui Kahai, Ning Horpem, H.N. Master Instructor Samia. Pasa Ning Galamang Larin, we held the Katom the BJP Ukrul District Party na Yoga International Day, Lungsang Lagay na Makok Kami wuivang, Ukrul District Deputy Commissioner Ashishtas na Mayakangay Pongshoka. IAS Ashishtas na Ukrul Hili Leilaka Yariwi Pakavai, Jingri Kavai Gala, Regasang Hakasang Hina Awe, Kamataya Ningrin Ngasara Gachihang. BJP Manipur Pradesh State Spokesperson M.K. Prishwa Shimrina Ajugum Yoga Day widukui Yoga for One Earth One Health kachimaramle kasat sanga. Migumo in ogatu harmony lekhavai yoga we koka sakami pangshap leye kachi hang sanga. Healthy kasa ogatui he healthy kasa mi bing ina hapokra kachi hanga. Pasakapha ning kamatha wuivang kakatomli itum saikorana shiruk kui pulungra kala environment la nga kui pulungra da MG Prisho Shimrina kasat sanga. Yoga angrana nge chili kareli kanjute ngareo sa ex MLA candidate Somatai Shaiza, former caretaker chairman ADC Mark Luiting, ex councillor Patrick, former ADC member Ngaranjui RS, BJP senior Kathana Bing, Youth Wing, Mahila Wing, Kisan Morchas, Kala ST Morchas, we meeting Vazanga. Angrana nge BJP Ukrul district we Chingai, Ukrul Gala Pungyer Mandals Hibing Hina Ngashigda Makok Kamina. District level committee programs convener BJP Ukrul district with General Secretary Peace Munzimik Gala. District level committee with members Long Yao Rahing, Abing Rising, Willie YR, Jiban R Atum Zangaji. Yoga Day Kamayon Chile Katana Bingala workers ping Apamudate the Wina Razangarokta, Pasa, Pakame, Karin Karak, Shurkavai, Godom Kangarok, Samgapang He, Ring Palagada, Bismun Zimik Nahang Sangam. Yoga exercise with Chile Atumna, Pungre Dove Ground, Abam Chile, Athairong now, Ling Sanghairan. Okruli Matek Chim Kahai, sustainable economical apam, Nasanga Sakada, Somatai Shaizana Kasatsang. Kamatapasa, Kapa Karin Karak, Semgada Mother Earth, Ngakwisa Gaji, Rising Esina Kasatsang. Kabonga, the resource management wuivang Kamataya Paikar Kuida, Manipur Forest Department, na Springshed Management, Kasawi newsletter career, Pongmi Haira. Pekarji Community-Based Sustainable Forest Management for Water Resources Conservations in Manipur, COSFOM KFW Project, Otkasa Maramna. Manipur Forest Department and Project Chiwe, Executing Agency Sada Khalei, Ukrul Forest Division, Wezingli, Ukruli COSFOM KFW Project, Kwikaka Maram Newsletter Jili Hangjitayam. Jiwi Kamadaya Kasada Kasaka Urubam Ngaka Kwi Kavanga Kwili Yarili Shiru Kwikangasak Atumna Sada Khalei Initiative Kavang Kwikavai Arala Kangaran Kala Kuwanga Daily Pekar Kakwi Jiwi Atay Kamate Karachan Hikatahi Tamjitayam. The conservations Kala Natural Resource Kangaki Newsletter China Policy Kagatom Ngasara Dahangan. COSFOM beneficiaries being the Ukruli projects Kung Turukli Kwikadale. Atume Kung we Urubum review Kasa, the Matame Okangasak, Pekanga the data Kwidalechi. 2024 Karam Kachang Wena Hapokta International Centers of Integrated Mountain Development ICIMOD Nepal Lingashikda local technicians Pingwe capacity buildings Kwiramiya newsletter Chilihangan. Manipur State with Springshed Management Maramding Sankavai State Level Roundtable Hapokhaira Kachilhangan. Roundtable G Springshed Rejuvenations Wuivang Science Policy Gala Kangasun Apam Ngasara da Hangan. Manipur with Mawansa Kahai PSF Constable Dibak Jingak Pamli Assam Shokarna Kaya Machut Mihairan. Ajagajang Jammu and Kashmir line of duty Lithisan Kahai PSF Constable Dibak Jingak Pamli Assam Shokarna Bir Jilarai Award Mihairan. Award Assam with cultural icon Kalaguru Vishnu Prasad Rabha with Kati anniversary Kamyon Rabha Divas Angrana Ngeli Kaminan. Angrana Ngeji Nilbari Likwigada Assam Chief Minister Himanda Biswa Sharmana Vishnu Prasad Rabhawi Mirin Gala Oting Rut Kwimi Kahai Maram Lihangan. Vishnu Prasad Rabhawi La Gala La Sempingna Ati rashungda yarili kasat yangmichingda leda Sharman Hanga. Angrana Ngeji Lui Ramutate the Wiming the Daily Award Mishoka. Northeast India Li Karesa the fully modern correctional facility Assam Shohairan. Hangda Kalehi Jirang District Gajal Gondli Semkahai District Jail Aya Assam Chief Minister Himanda Biswa Sharmana Targat Kamia. correctional facilities, rehabilitations kala human treatment lingarinda sem ka high state of the art amenities kala exclusive system hai miachi. Abam chili 636 inmates sang baira under trial detainees pingla convicted mi pingla hai ka paina. Jirang District Jail Ji Khangacha Traditional Prison Inangadeda Health Sanitation Standard Shurkavai Specialized Quarantine Areas Haimia. Tandi Kamili Mataimida Inmates Ping Chili Sem Kakui Ngaje Kui Kangasakina Kamataya Sada Correctional Facility Hi Shokaminaji. Abam Chili Shinao Mir Nawe Ngadeda Modern Healthcare Unit Haimi Katam Kashigala Skill Building wuivang Educational Classroom Haimi Library Haimi Kala Inmates with Personal Development Li katomtheilak atum yarishangli Zanglushit Kapai Mi Ngasa Kavai Katomiraji Thar Jigat Angran Angi Chili CM Shermana Shorkawi Kangaran Correctional Institute Mathasang Sakavai Kasa Kala Inmate Welfare Rehabilitations Li National La International Benchmarks Kashung Kavai Kasa Ningrin Hangjitayam Facilities Li Ijam Jamma Jail Maningmana Ngaje Gakui Abamnada Shermana Hanga Jurajan Burshong ITLF na indefinite shutdown Haikasa Ngasam Haira Aja Hontang Security Force in a Kutlai Kasing Mibing Kangakabli Sazada Kukishinao Aka Tisangahai Ochochili Makamaya Pongshok the Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum na shutdown Haikasaji Aya Guptang Kushok Hairam Bemtang Langjin Manbi Ina Heijang Lok Pamli Ngagab Kangarok Chili Kukishinao Hoi Kol Hing Hot Kipli Sazahawa IDLF Nakahang Hoi Kol Hing Mawan Saka Highway Maramli Tribal Customary Law Tishuda Forum China District Administration Walungli Maya Kangrok Lehaira Manipur na Okatili Soda International Day of Yoga Mayon Haira State level Angranange Kumanambak Indoor Stadium in Fali Kwikada Governor Ajay Kumar Palanathanda Mi Shashini Yoga Asana Stations Kwikahira Angranange Jili Kadam Nauping government officials yoga practitioners security personnel kala ningasang yarizang that mi sajiko langdana shirokuyeji Governor Palana kasatsang that thang mimirini yoga kasawi kapha pasa ning kanini wuivang kapha maram hanga Regional Institute of Medical Science Streams Imphal International Day of Yoga Angranange Jim Khana Holdi Kwikada Ministry of Ayush na guidelines azingli yoga for one earth one health kachitukwili rindam yon haira Chile Indian Sarkar Ministry of Health and Family Welfare with Joint Secretary Y Rajendra Singh Masowo RIMS with Director Professor G Sunil Kumar Sarmana President Kala RIMS Medical Superintendent of Hospital Professor and Sanjeev Singh Nakayawasada Vazanga Manipur High Court nala International Yoga Day mayonda Yoga for Harmony and Peace kachitukuya zingli yoga kasa angranange High Court Complex li kwikahira Justice A Bimol Singala Justice A Ganeshwar Sharma Karot Judge Pingala Registry with officials in a staff Bar Council of Manipur in a High Court Bar Associations of Manipur Wimi Pingala Manipur Judicial Academy with officials kala staff pingla angranange chili shirukuya Yoga Zimik Manipur with district court complexes Saikorali Kwikaya, Topal Bishnupur Sanabati, Ukrul Damenglong, Chandel, Jairab Court Complex, Lamphel Court Complex, ND and PS Court Complex, MSCT Court Complex, Kala Manipur State Legal Service Authority na Mayon Ngarokhaira Kachi Manipur High Court na Pau Mishoka. Makha Tairik Magada Akatang Kamayon International Yoga Day hina mi aka we well-being gala ogotui harmony li yoga na khangaje khira kashap phaning khung ngasada karot paujina hanga kala mi bing we thang mirin li yoga sakhawai kasatsang kami ngasaya da hanga All Manipur VDF Employees Welfare Associations we Kangakauli State Sarkarna ngahan ka kami leida strike kasa kachang khani we wang ngasam sara chihairam Associations chiwi Central Committee kala Sarkar minganin pin acha kachang kazip pamda kasangka pora kahai grievances we file processing kachang khani shikawelungli sahaura kachitui mihairachi Kazip Chile Associations Nakapo Maram Police Act 1861 sections 18 Zatna Kangasak Be Matai Kami Kala VDF service regularized Sakami Hibing Hik Nasana Jan Ngazek Chile Yang Sang Kami Wuivang Association China N Ashok Kumar IAS Home Commissioner Li Ningashi Pongshoka Imphal West, Imphal East, Kala Kangbokpi District with Superintendent of Police Pingla Kazip Chile Zangda Associations China Ningashimi Pegar Kuida Khalei Hitharan Associations China Sakasa gun down and bend down indefinite strike Chi Kochang Kani Wuivang Sam Sarada Jishat Hiram VDF Pingwe Kasak Maram Hi Shokar Nangazek Havai Maya Kamikala VDF personnels Pingwe Maram Hili Kadom Mikhavai civil society organizations public groups la political parties Pingli All Manipur VDF Employees Welfare Association na Ningkashi Pongshoka Ladluida Ajiwi Kamataya Pau Ping Lui Kavanau Pingli Ngak Mikhavai Farmer Safety Zone Hai Kami should at site order mikhavai kokomina pohair. 11th International Day of Yoga Kamyonli Indian Okatuli Hakmai Twikachi Yoga Kazip Kwikahair. Ajiwi Pau Hiling Changhaira, Pau another Nathum saikorali, Ringyaophy Kamhai, Simik Shong Sasir.